spoke of the resolutions. Now, resolutions that you were having questions why resolutions are not good for nothing. Resolutions of the Congress are put down, agreed upon, and then they have to be implemented. It's not just resolutions. In fact, it's the resolutions to be implemented after the Congress by those who will have the function to deliver on the Congress resolutions. And therefore, comrades, members of the political bureau, of the Central Committee of SWAPO Party that are present here, comrades, members of the Central Committee of SWAPO that are present here, the veterans of the liberation struggle. I have taken note of Memeli Bertin Abadila and Tatekulu Helmut Angula, my elders. Welcome to this very important meeting. Comrades, secretaries of the SWAPO Party wings and affiliates, Comrade Professor Andrew Nikondo, the chairperson of the SWAPO Party think tank and your deputy, Comrades presenters, Comrade Executive Director of SWAPO Party, Comrade Samukwa, Comrades members of the think tank, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a great pleasure for me to be here this morning to officially open this induction workshop. From the onset, let me thank you all, members of the newly appointed SWAPO Party think tank 2021-2022 for devoting your time to the work of SWAPO Party despite your busy schedule in your various official capacity elsewhere. Nearly 2 weeks ago, on the 30th of September 2021, I, on behalf of the leadership, inaugurated this newly SWAPO Party think tank. On that day, I have explained thoroughly the reasons why the political bureau and the Central Committee of SWAPO Party have resolved to restructure the think tank and appointed this team of competent and qualified SWAPO Party cadres to provide evidence-based policy options on political and economic issues. Dr. Nikondo has said when he was presenting whom you are and what is expected of you. Because you are from various disciplines in terms of knowledge and skills and expertise. Dear comrades, as we are all aware, the aim and the main aim of think tanks is to serve as a research arm of the party, for that matter SWAPO Party, which would guide the party through consultancy, advocacy, and operational research using appropriate technology. The leadership of SWAPO expects you, comrades, to provide factual without fear or favor. Let me loud here. You should provide factual advices without fear or favor to ensure that our party continues to be relevant within the context of a fast-changing world. Comrades, the leadership of SWAPO Party expect teamwork me and the other people cannot see. Mama, our responsive focus during this period should be on the following, but not limited to: SWAPO Party political program, which was adopted by the first Congress in an independent Namibia, year 1991. You have to look what is the content of our political program that was adopted way back in 1991. You have to look at the resolutions of the sixth Congress of SWAPO Party that was held in 2017. You have to look at the implementation of the SWAPO Party election manifesto 2020-2025 by the SWAPO Party-led government, its own mass organizations, ministries, and local authorities. This is what we mean. And monitoring and evaluation thereof. You have to look at the key resolutions of the party introspective exercises of July 2020. Why did we have that introspection, and what does it mean to the party today? Going forward, you have to look at the disciplinary code of the party. Are we relevant? You have to look at the draft policies and research papers for the upcoming third national policy conference. You have to look at the post-COVID-19 economic recovery and implementation creation. Not implementation, but employment creation. You have to look at innovative strategies on how to carry out sustainable economic growth within a very competitive and fast-changing world. We are not stagnated in the 20 or on the 20 years, the 19th century. We are moving on. But as a party, how do we move on with this changing landscape and political landscape in the world? Our party included. Are we moving? Or we are on the reverse gear? We have to look at and provide the way forward. You have to look at strategies on how to manage a modern, massive, fast-changing political landscape. Those are some. And therefore, I'm saying not limited to. Those are some. More is sitting there with you and in your big brain. You have to deliver. Dear Congress, SWAPO as a ruling party has received the criticism over the past years with regard to disunity. Disunity. Can we survive in a world of disunity amongst ourselves? How do we deal with the disunity in the party? How do we rehabilitate ourselves as a family of SWAPO Party? Do we have any benefit if we continue with disunity as a party? We have to look at We have been criticized on the issues of service delivery. When you are set on the chair as a sector minister, as a secretary general, as a governor, as a councillor, both regional or local, as a CEO entrusted by the party, some of them, do you do what is expected when you are seated there? Do you deliver? Do you adhere to yourself to the NDPs that are on your table? Do you have the national policy conference resolutions on your table? Do you have the Congress resolutions on your table? Do you read through the manifesto of the party that entrusted you, sometimes some of you, not all, on your table? Why should we be criticized not for not delivering the services? We have to look at this stuff. We have been criticized for poor performance, sometimes at government levels. This led to some of our supporters, those criticisms. They led to some of our supporters and sympathizers simply punishing the party in the 2019 presidential and national assembly elections, and subsequently in the 2020 regional and local authority elections by abstaining from participating in the election. Simply sit home. I don't go to the polls. What did we do? How did we go wrong? How can we rectify this situation? As a fact, this trend cannot be left unattended to. Hence, we must look at how we deal with the low-hanging fruits to make a complete difference within the budgets that are allocated and definitely bring about development closer to our people. According to the Namibian Constitution, the electorate are the ultimate sovereign. We must therefore devise strategies that will ensure that the SWAPO Party continues to win the hearts and the minds of our electorate. We must create in future generations. We must ensure that young people of Namibia look forward to the future with hope in the SWAPO Party to continue to be the banner of solidarity, freedom, and justice, and take it forward in the future new world. We are cognizant of the fact that the SWAPO Party-led government has delivered on its mandate and continues to do so under various circumstances. This, however, should not put us into a relaxation mode as a party. We cannot relax. We are therefore here to ensure that our party continues to tentatively deliver the results and not paper statements. Did you get me? We are not interested in paper statements. We should deliver. We should deliver. Not vocabulary contestation. We are not interested. We should deliver. We must go there and deliver. We must derive the possibilities to deliver. If the budget is not enough, whatever little we have, we should look at the low-hanging fruits. And we should go back and explain to the electors why we could not adhere to what we have promised. I therefore wholeheartedly want to thank everyone for their presence here, especially the veterans of the liberation struggle who offered us their valuable time and knowledge, for that matter, to be presenters. Comrade Helmut Angula is our brain asset. No matter that he is on retirement, we will always call you back, Comrade Angula. Because you don't throw away brain asset of the country. It's a big mistake that we cannot afford. And therefore, all the brain assets will be called back to do justice for the survival of our party. Therefore, I thank you very much for your time, veterans. Yourself, and Kakurukabe Mungunda, Merkuru Libertina Amadila, a lady of difference, who always is there to do a difference for the benefit of the society, no matter the age. And we should emulate from the good example of these people. Don't ask them when they are retired and say, oh, I think it's Bettina Madira. No! You should take up their guns and deliver. With these very few and perhaps too long statements and without further ado, I declare this beautiful workshop officially open, and I'm wishing you all fruitful deliberations. Assure and be assured we love you and have our support. Viva SWAPO, viva! Viva!